Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your active status on Facebook Messenger. What this means is, at the minute, I am showing I am online to all my friends on Messenger. But if I change my status to offline, then none of my friends will be able to see that I am currently online, even though I actually am. To change this, all you need to do is go to the top of your screen and click on the Messenger icon. You now need to go all the way down to the bottom and click on See All in Messenger. And once this has finished loading, we now need to go to the top left hand corner of our screen and click on the Settings cog. You now need to click onto Settings, and we can now change this little slide bar to offline. And there we go, it really is as easy as that. Now none of my friends will currently know I am online, even though I actually am. If you do want to change your status back to online, all you need to do is simply just click on the little slide bar and we are now back online. I hope this little tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.